There's a simple feature hidden deep in Mini 4 Pro drone settings, which makes shooting cinematic footage super easy. In fact, I use it all the time. Can you guess its name? What is cruise control and why is it so special, you may ask? Well, it allows you to fly with constant speed without pushing your joysticks. Let me show you an example. If you want to slowly rotate the drone with constant rotation speed to get cinematic footage, you can gently push your left joystick in the direction you want, then activate cruise control, and then BAM! Your drone rotates with constant speed, which prevents you from getting jerky footage. Wait a minute, how do you activate cruise control? First, you need to turn on your drone and connect it to your remote control. And then from this screen where you see live footage from drone camera, you need to head to the settings by clicking these three dots. Then go to the control section. Scroll down till the end and then go to button customization. This menu allows you to customize buttons on your controller. Now it's important to remember that there are two models of the remote controller for DJI Mini 4 Pro. This one and this one. If you have the controller where you have to use your phone as the display, you can customize the FN button located on the front side in the left upper corner of the controller. But if you have the other controller with the built-in display like I have, you can customize not one but two buttons, C1 and C2, both located on the back side of the controller. With that in mind, customize the right buttons on your controller. I have the version with the built-in display, so I will show you how to customize the C2 button. Tap on C2, then go to the control section. Scroll a bit and choose cruise control. Now you're ready. The next time you fly, push the joysticks you want, and while holding them, also press the C2 or the FN button accordingly. And after you get a message that the aircraft is in cruise control, you can release the joysticks and voila! The drone flies precisely with constant speed, you don't have to push the joysticks, and you can even change its movement or camera angle without turning off the cruise control.